Hallo iedereen, hello everyone, and welcome in the second lesson of this free online Dutch course, Flemish. Flemish is the Dutch that is spoken in Belgium. So this is a Flemish course, so welcome in the second lesson. And in this lesson we are going to see how we can ask where someone is from, where do you come from, and where someone is living now. Where do you live now? So, where do you come from? We can ask, waar kom je vandaan? Waar kom je vandaan? If we translate this exactly like that in English, we get something like, where come you from? But free translation, where do you come from? So, waar kom je vandaan? Ik kom uit België. I come from Belgium. I am from Belgium. Ik kom uit België. Ik kom uit België. Waar woon je? Where do you live? Waar woon je? Where live you? Where do you live? So, waar woon je? Ik woon in Finland. I live in Finland. Ik woon in Finland. Ik kom uit België. Ik woon in Finland. Waar kom jij vandaan? Waar woon jij? This is your homework for next time. Put it in the comments below so I can correct it and write me in nice Dutch sentence. Waar kom jij vandaan? Waar woon je? So answer the question in Dutch. And I wish you good luck with homework. And I say at the end of the video, tot ziens. Tot ziens.